Hello students, today we will discuss amino acids and protein in BSc Honors Part 3rd. Yesterday we discussed synthesis of amino acids like Strecker synthesis, Cope synthesis, malonic ester synthesis, Curtius reaction, Hydantoin synthesis, etc. Today we will discuss physical properties and structure of amino acids. An amino acid is usually represented by the structure NH2CHR C double bond OOH. But the structure does not explain some of the observed properties of amino acids. Some physical properties are lower amines are gases or volatile liquids. Lower acids are low boiling liquids, but simple amino acids are crystalline solids having melting point of order of 200 degree to 300 degree. Amino acids are insoluble in organic solvents but are readily soluble in water. The aqueous solution of amino acids is neutral and has high dipole moment. Spectral analysis indicates absence of free NH2 and free COOH groups. The acid dissociation constants and base dissociation constants of amino acids are less than expected. For instance, Kb for glycine is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 10. pKa is equal to 9.4 and its Kb value is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 12. pKb is equal to 12.4. It must be noted that Ka for simple monocarboxylic aliphatic acids is of the order of 10 raised to power minus 5. pKa is equal to 5 and Kb of aliphatic amines is the order of 10 raised to power minus 4. pKb is equal to 4. These facts indicate a dipolar ionic structure of amino acids. This is the dipolar ionic structure of amino acid. Zwitter ion, German name Zwitter is equal to common or ampholyte. This structure has positive charge on nitrogen and negative charge on COOH group. Therefore, this structure is also called as dipolar ion or Zwitter ion. This is salt-like structure and explains the water solubility, high melting points, high dipole moments, insolubility in organic solvent, etc. of amino acids. This structure also explains the observed Ka and Kb values of amino acids. First is Ka of an amino acid. The dissociation constant of an amino acid is the equilibrium constant of the following equilibrium. NH3CHR negative plus H2O, it gives NH2CHR negative plus H3O positive. This is the formula for Ka. Ka is equal to H3O positive NH2CHR negative upon NH3 positive CHR negative. Kb of an amino acid. Kb of of an amino acid is the equilibrium constant of the equilibrium NH3 positive CHRCOO negative plus H2O, NH3 positive CHRCOOH plus OH negative. Kb is equal to this formula. OH negative ion NH2 CHRCOH upon NH3 positive CHRCOO negative. The product of Ka and Kb in aqueous solution is 10 raised to power minus 14. The Ka value of glycine 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 is actually the dissociation constant of its NH3 positive ion. Kb is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 upon the K value of glycine 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 10 is actually the dissociation constant of its NH3 positive ion. Kb is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to power 10 is equal to 6.25 into 10 raised to power minus 5. This value is the order of the Kb values of aliphatic amines. Similarly, the Kb value of glycine is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 12, which is in fact for its COO minus ion. Therefore, Ka is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 upon 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 12 is equal to 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3. This is Ka, that is 10 raised to power minus 14 upon 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 12 is equal to 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3. The value is expected for an acid having a strongly electron attracting group. It is to be noted that the NH3 positive group is electron attracting. It increases the acid strength. In alkaline solution, the Zwitter ion 1 changes into 2. This is NH3 positive CHRCOO negative plus OH negative ion gives NH2 CHRCOO negative plus H2O. This is strong acid, this is strong base, this is weak base, this is weak acid. Expected because the strong base pulls off the proton from the ammonium ion 1 and liberates the weak base 2. In acid solution, the dipolar ion 1 changes into the cation 3. The strong base is NH3 CHRCO negative plus H3O is a strong acid. It forms a weak acid and a weak base. Thus, the acidic group in amino acid is NH3 positive and not the COOH. Similarly, the basic group of amino acid is not the NH2 group but the COOH minus group. Thus, it is evident that the amino 2 having free amino group and the cation 3 having free COH group are in equilibrium with the amino acid dipolar ion 1. This is the conjugate acid is RCH NH3COOH. In the presence of OH minus H positive gives a dipolar ion, and when it reacts with OH negative H positive it gives conjugated base. If a reaction is carried out in acid solution, the properties of COOH group will be observed Inversely, properties of amino group will be observed in alkaline solution. The reaction of acetyl chloride on amino acid changes one completely into the anion 2 and it will be acetylated at nitrogen as in amines. X-ray studies further confirm the dipolar ion structure 1 of an amino acid. So this is all about physical properties and structure of amino acids. Thank you.